Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the UKTurks app to your Firestick or Android TV. The whole process is pretty simple and will take you only a couple of minutes. And the first step you gotta take is get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can actually get Downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, we'll go to search on your device. So we need to click on that search bar right here. And now in the search, you need to start typing downloader. So that's what we are doing right now. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. We click on downloader, and that's the app that you gotta get to your Firestick device. However, after you got downloader, it's not over yet because you still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up downloader on your Firestick, you'll have to go to the settings by clicking on that button with a gear icon. After that, you need to scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Let's open it. And from here, what you have to do is turn on the developer options on your Firestick. However, on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just have to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you gotta start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it is going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then you gotta go to install unknown apps. And now from here, all you have to do is locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of applications on your Firestick. Here it is, let's open it up. And now there's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. However, before actually using the downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it is of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Firesticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Bulgaria right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So go straight to the list of apps on your Firestick and open up the downloader. Now here in the downloader application, what you gotta do is on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home, and after that, all that's left to do is enter the code, which in our case will be 942190. So once again, it's 942190. That's the code we have to enter. So just enter it as you see, and then click on Go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks. as well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And then after the file was downloaded, the next step is you have to install the app by just clicking on the install button on your Firestick. So we click on it and wait for the app to finally get installed. And after that, don't click on open yet. Instead, you should click on done, because this way we'll have an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick device. So you click on done and then delete and delete. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now if you go to the list of apps on your device, here it is, you will open it, and now you'll find the UKTurks right here. So now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.